guys, it's Alex. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another Halloween makeup. Today's video is going to be a little bunny. I got some little bunny ears, also a bow. But yeah, if you guys want to see me how I do this look, also this is literally the easiest makeup look that I've done for this Halloween series. But if you guys want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. Also, before we hop in, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that big thumbs up, and yeah, let's hop right into the video. So let's get started with the makeup. Also, I have my little bow and also my little bunny ears. I got this little bunny set from the dollar store. So first when I start with the foundation, I'm going to use my Milani foundation in nude and apply that all over my face. Just going to pump that onto the back of my hand. And then I'm just going to apply that with my beauty blender. I'm just going to do like my foundation and concealer and powder first, and then we'll actually move on to the bunny look. So I've seen a couple of different bunny looks that are like scary and cute, and so I decided to do a cute one because I've done a couple of scary like Halloween makeup for you guys, and I want to do like a cute little simple one. So this is going to be like an easy, quick bunny look. So I'm just applying the foundation all over. This is absolutely my favorite foundation. This is actually the only foundation that I have that's like full coverage. And I'm just applying that all over my face. You can honestly skip your foundation and concealer and just do like the bunny look with like the white and the whiskers to keep it simple, but I'm just going to add my foundation and concealer. Also blend that down my neck because this foundation is a little bit dark on me, but it's okay. I'm just going to make sure I blend it down my neck. So now move on to concealer. I'm going to take my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer. I'm just going to apply that under my eyes. And also like on my T-zone, and also like on some little pimples to cover up. And just take my beauty blender once again and just blend out everything. My like makeup tutorials, I usually use this as a eyeshadow primer, but recently I've been using it as a concealer because I actually really like it. It's very like, it's smooth. The reason I didn't use it as a concealer just because it was really pale and it was really dry, but recently I've applied it as my concealer and I absolutely love this concealer. But I really didn't get another one that actually like matches my skin tone that's not really pale on me. And that's pretty much my foundation and concealer all blended out. To set my foundation and concealer, I'm going to use my Air Sponge Loose Powder and just set my makeup. Now we're going to move on to the eyeshadow. For the bunny look, I'm going to take my BH Take Me to Brazil little eyeshadow palette. This is the eyeshadow that I'm going to be using today. So first I'm just going to take this shade right here and put that in my crease. I just zoomed in the camera so you guys can see the eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take this shade right here. Hope you guys can see that. And I'm going to take that on a Morphe M518 brush and just apply that to my crease. Also, I'm going to apply that to my outer crease on both eyes and just blend it all out. I'm going to take the darker pink that's right next to it on a little anger brush and put that onto my outer crease. I'm just applying that to my outer crease on both eyes. Also kind of want to like smoke it out a little bit. So now for the lid shade, I'm going to take this little pink shade right here on my finger and apply that to my eyes. And then to top off that pink, I'm going to take this little highlight shade right here and apply that also with my finger. Just going to put that over the light pink that we just applied. So now we're done with the eyeshadow. I'm just going to take my eyeliner and just do a simple wing eyeliner on both eyes using the Rebel London eyeliner that I absolutely love. I'm just going to do a simple line. Just going to fill in my eyes real quick with my e.l.f. pomade and also on a little angle brush. So now I'm just going to grab my white face paint and paint in my face white. It's just going to basically be like this whole area and also my nose and onto my cheeks. So it kind of looks like the white that's on the bunny. I don't know really what it's called, but I'm just going to fill in all this white, and then after I'm all done, I'm just going to flick out the white so it looks like the hairs of the bunny on the side of my cheeks. Also, you want to paint in your bottom lip, not your top lip, and also half of your nose. So I'm just going to use a big old brush and fill in all this. So it's gonna look something like this. So now I'm just gonna kind of go over the edges and just kind of flick it out so it looks like little hairs. And you're just gonna kind of blend out the white on the edge. So it kind of looks something like that. So it looks like hair / like fur from the bunny. And I also want to do that on the tip of the nose. Just kind of like blend it out. Now I'm going to grab some pink face paint. This is the Wet n Wild little face palette. I'm just going to take this little pink so I can fill in my pink little nose. Just kind of want to draw like a little circle on your nose with the pink. And I'm going to grab some pink also from the same palette and just darken up the nose. I'm going to grab my little black eyeliner and just draw like little dots above my lip. So these are pretty much for the whiskers. And I'm also going to draw a little triangle above my top lip. And then also make a line going up to the nose. And now I'm just going to take that hot pink face paint from the Wet n Wild and just fill in my lips with it. You can also use a lipstick with this, but I'm just going to use the face paint. Now I'm just going to take that white again and make like a little white line up above my eyebrow. And I'm also going to do the same thing to the other side. And then again with the muffler, I'm just going to kind of take it and flip it up. I'm also going to take some white under my eyes. because this white is going to act like another like eyelid, so it makes my eyes look a lot bigger. I'm just going to take my eyeliner and draw pretty much a new like under eyes. Like I said, you want your eyes to look a lot bigger, so I'm just going to kind of follow the line that I made with the white. And then take it all the way out to your outer crease, and then I'm going to draw a little fake eyelashes with the eyeliner. And then do the same thing on the other side. With the white and just flick it out at the end. Also gonna draw a little like triangle in the front. You know how people do like a little like corner eye that's like a little point? That's what I'm going to do with my little black eyeliner. I'm just going to take my mascara and just apply my mascara to my top eyelashes. Also, this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise that I'm using. Blush, I'm just going to take my CoverGirl blush and apply that to the higher points of my cheeks, like over here as like highlight for the blush. So now I'm just going to apply some highlight to my nose and also to my cheekbones. This is the e.l.f. highlight, if you guys were wondering. Just apply that to my cheekbones. So I hope you guys liked this Halloween makeup. Also, I really hope you guys liked the other makeup videos that I did for this Halloween series. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.